Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of XOP. Energy sector has been selling down and big money bearish entry in XOP is spot on. XOP price plunged hard within the next 24 days. Entry is on 13 November with exit on 7 December. In summary, this is a bearish trade that's entry price of $5.80 and exit price of $9. Big money movement is the key to this successful trade. A nice 55% gain for me in this trade within 24 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPY. Big money has been seen with great placement for a continuous sell-off in the market. With no surprises, market continues to plunge lower. Entry is on 13 December with exit on 20th December. In summary, this is a bearish trade that has entry price of 69 cents and exit price of $1. Being able to spot the big money movement is the key to this successful trade. A nice 45% gain for me in this trade within 7 days. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under Trade, Portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.